Shimadzu is proud to present the LCMS-8030, the world's fastest tandem quadrupole LCMS-MS system. The 8030 features ultra-fast multiple reaction monitoring transitions, combined with ultra-fast mass spectrum measurement speeds and ultra-fast polarity switching, to deliver the ultimate in laboratory efficiency. Shimadzu's unique Q-array ion guide effectively focuses ions over a wide MZ range by overlapping multiple electric fields. Even at the maximum scan rate, excellent sensitivity and resolution are maintained. To provide ultra-fast data acquisition rates in MS detection, Shimadzu has developed UF sweeper technology to efficiently accelerate ions out of the collision cell. This dramatically minimizes crosstalk and shortens MRM analysis time. The 8030 is a truly universal detector for liquid chromatography. For the first time, true high-throughput analysis without sacrificing reproducibility or mass accuracy is a reality. The 8030 achieves outstanding performance quicker than ever before by bringing together advanced quadrupole technology, high-speed polarity switching, and high-sensitivity detection systems. The combination of the 8030 and the Nexera UHPLC brings together the latest hardware on a single platform. This provides increased productivity and accelerated workflows for high-throughput data analysis. The all-new LCMS-8030 from Shimadzu, the world's fastest tandem quadrupole LCMS-MS system. Learn more at www.triplequad.com.